It's your boy Dreddy. What's going on? Carpet cleaning with Dreddy. Doing some prep work. You see me? Right now, we're about to take care of this clubhouse at this property. Right now, man, you know the struggles. Rolling up that hose, making sure both pieces stay together, pressure, and the vacuum. It's a, oh my God, it's a mind-boggling thing trying to get that thing unwrapped. Okay, if it's not wrapped up properly. Now, tire cleaning, you need a tire brush. One just like this. Okay? Very, very essential. And you got the famous tile wand cleaner. Alright? This is going to be the money. The money that is, as you see, the jets. You treat the jets good, believe me, you're going to have an easy time. Alright? So what we're about to do, man, we just going in here, walking it. This place is, over here in the country. The tiles, we're looking a little bit grungy. Mostly retirement people are at this property, so they try to keep it up. All right. My job is literally to make sure the tile stays good, stays looking presentable. All right. They have a few, I guess, top executives coming in this week, and they want to make it look good. Okay, they want to know the money that they're collecting is going to good use. What am I doing here? Sometimes, sometimes these chemicals are so strong, you really don't want to walk on it and then walk on the carpet. The chemical I have is pretty good, but in the past, I've known of guys who use really strong chemicals, spray it on top of the tile, and then when they walk, all right, on carpet, that carpet is literally damaged. You see the footprints. So you have to be careful. Something like that, you may have to rinse it off really quick. Really, really quick. So yeah, guys, thanks for, coming back, checking me out. Let's see what we're going to do here, man. Let's see, yeah, I'm trying to walk the plank, trying to stay under vacuum hose, You know how it is, man. You working these jobs, you got to stay entertained. Follow me. Check it out. Yeah, so somebody might be looking and be like, "Oh man, how come he didn't move the furniture?" Well, guess what? Um, Sometimes you don't have to move the furniture all the time and get that technical. Okay, that would have been the job of the maintenance people because, as you know, carpet cleaners, we are not movers, and sometimes we really have to stress it, because this is the thing: you can end up doing a whole hour worth of moving before you do any kind of work. So when you have certain big jobs, stuff just got to stay in place. People know the risks, and this is what we do. So we just try to be careful and be professional about it and get it done, and we're out.